Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to stop iPhone from auto dimming. Here are some steps to stop your iPhone from auto dimming. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Accessibility. Tap Display and Text Size. Scroll down and turn off the toggle for auto brightness. Now, go back to the main settings screen, then tap Display and Brightness. Check the True Tone setting, turn it off if it's causing brightness changes. Also, turn off Night Shift if it's enabled, and affecting screen brightness. Adjust the brightness slider manually to your preferred level. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.